Welcome back to my channel. We're back again in a new video reaction. So Commander Holy Ghost have something to say, and before you go through that video, I want you to listen to this because most of you are not happy with him because of his relationship with Ogenkre through Sonak Barawa and the rest of them. I'm not here to tell you not to do what you want to do, but we need to understand that it is not easy to represent, to do the kind of thing they're doing in homeland, and because of that I don't have that hate like most of you do. He's entitled to his own opinion. If he wants to support whoever he wants to support, I'm not here to tell him no, don't do that. But as long as he's representing, I don't think it is wise thing to turn against him, because most time when I publish a video like of him, and some of you will come to the comment section and say, no, don't bring this guy here, I don't want to hear his voice, he's so loud. Like, seriously? He's not a sellout. Yeah, he have his own opinion and his word in the past against US. Even Butoso sometimes have said one or two things against US, against the United USB. There's a trending video a few weeks ago, not a few weeks ago, I think last week, just a few days ago, where he said that Butoso was in that video. He said something like USB charger, and Chiamaka and the rest of them, they were laughing, a kind of mocking Biafrans after the declaration of Biafra, and some of them see it as something that is forbidden. In fact, they prefer to fall back. We have talked about this many times here, but the issue is that sometimes in a movement like this, you don't need to be stagnant. You need to, understand, the season we are and follow it where it's supposed to be. Now Holy Ghost have this message for people to hear. Like I said, we're gonna release it. Most of you have seen that, but my take on that is that the message sometimes from Holy Ghost, in as much as you have this kind of feelings about him based on what he has said in the past or his stand at the moment, doesn't really mean anything, because as we speak, USB, United States of Biafra, are the one taking care of them. That's just a fact. Apart from the one, okay, because what in about Ogekra and their group is that they are very, very, very good in voodoo. Very, very good. Like I said before, you see how Adadorama, what she said, and the team have actually dragged her back somehow. But if I tell you that thing is influenced by power of voodoo, you may not agree. Even Adadorama herself refused to admit it, but now it's getting clearer. Why I'm saying this is because anybody that is fighting for freedom, like those leaders, sometimes you may think that it is easy. It is not easy because they are facing a lot of challenges. Series of attack is going to them. So, in as much as we don't like anything that Adadorama said, but if you can calm down and ask yourself some questions, what made her to say those things? What did she say, or what happened to her? Why suddenly she's now back and she's doing very, very well now? But when you play those videos before, that like what she said in the past, you understand what I'm trying to say. Why am I talking about her now in this video? It's because some people have watched her saying that Ogenkre and the group are the one taking care of Butoso and his group. But the truth is that it's not Ogenkre. Ogenkre may be giving, but that is not all. Alright? That's not the all. That's not the everything, because you can see every now and then CS always mention Butoso, and somehow they will try to brainwash Butoso brain to come and make video like I said one or two things. So I'm actually said that the Holy Ghost is the one that are creating that gap between United States of Biafra and Butoso, because Holy Ghost is very much in contact with Sonak Barawa, who is architect of the lies and the propaganda going on in Ogenkre camp. But I'm not here to validate that. I'm not inside that. I don't know what happened there. All I'm trying to tell you is that sometimes when you don't just say, oh, I don't want to listen to the Holy Ghost again because he's a fan of Oginkere. Sometimes you hear a very genuine sense, sensible message from him. Why I'm saying all this is for you to pay attention and hear him out. All right. So make sure you like the video and subscribe to the channel. Tell us what you think about what we've discussed so far and what he's about to say. Even though the message is not too long, it's about 3 to 4 minutes, because I think when he was delivering this message, I assume that he had maybe network issue that cut him off because the message is not complete. Hopefully he's gonna come back and complete it. But before then, please like the video, like I said, and subscribe to the channel. Let's go there and hear him out. Thank you.
Only the true seeker of Biafra will make it to the end. Only the true seeker of Biafra. If you know you are among the true seeker of Biafra, you know what to do at the time you're supposed to do. And if you know you are not among the true seeker of Biafra and you carry yourself join, I'm sorry for you. Your end is now. Yes. Your end is now. You know quite well that you are not a true seeker of Biafra and you carry yourself you put your body, you are finished. Now you end your life the way you will end. Don't blame anybody. Because I told you, and the great prophet told you, he said you must be whiter than white and whiter than snow for you to achieve Biafra. You must be whiter than white, whiter than snow. And you think it was a joke. It is only a true seeker of Biafra that will make to the end. There are 3 people observant. If you were just an observant, you still enjoy Biafra redemption. And the fake seeker, the audience are the observants. Are you an audience? No wahala. When Biafra come, you'll be part of them. But those fake seeker, those wolf, the sheep clothing, the wolf in sheep clothing, your time is off. This is good morning to the lovers of freedom. This is good morning to the true seeker of Biafra. There is no better way than this. No long talk. Today is our fall. Everything you touch your hand will prosper as a true seeker of Biafra. Your heart desire will be granted unto you. But the fake one, they will dwell in sorrow. Sorrow will be their mystery. Sorrow will be their dream until the end of their life. Because this is the message from the gods. You must be white, whiter than white, and whiter than snow. These are the true seeker of Biafra. For you to see Biafra, is stained, you are gone. If your white is stained, you are gone. And that is why if you listen to my background, you go hear the sound of being. I want you to listen to sound background. What do you hear? If your white is stained, you are gone. It is only the true seeker